Jay Sean, the word for today is talk. Talk. No, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for words. Can we do some words today? Yeah? Let's try. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, that's close. Let's get it a little bit more I in it. Say hi. Well, that was almost there. It was almost there. Say hi. Okay, that's a little loud. Say hi. Hi. All right. High five. See? That's what I'm looking for. Hi. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. All right. We're gonna go in a minute. Can you say go? Say go. Nope. Say go. Say go. Say go. Go. No. Go. Jay Sean, one more word. Go. Say go. Nope. Say go, and I'll leave you alone. Say go. Say nope. Say go. Go. Jay Sean. Say go. Say go. Go. Say go. Go. Say go, and I'll leave you alone. Say go. Say go. Say, you want to go? Do you want to go? You want to go? You don't want to go to the doctors, huh? You got to go to the doctor. Say go. Say, that was it. That was almost there. Go, go. All right. All right. We're going to go in a minute, okay? You want to do a fist bump? Okay. Thank you. We're going to get ready to go. Yeah. You a trip. You know that, right? You a trip. Don't look at me like that. No, it's not funny. You have to go ahead and talk for mommy and stop playing. Stop playing with mommy. No, don't play with me now. All right? It's not funny. We're going to go in a minute. And why are you looking at me like, boy, you a trip. Yeah, we're going to go in a minute, son. All right? Got you. I got you. Love you. Say, I love you. Say, love you. Could you say, when you going to say love you to mommy? Say, love you. Say, love you. You're not working with that today? Okay. Say, love you. Love you. All right, we got to get ready to go. Say bye to the camera. Look at the camera. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Yeah, no, you can wave, but say bye at the same time. Can we say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Not hi. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Okay, good. You wave. You said go. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. You're not going to do it. You tired? I know. All right. I'm going to leave you alone. All right? It's a wrap. You said it's done. You done? Okay. All right, son. We out of here.